Guys, it's me, Ate Alex Janat TV. In today's recipe, we're making chicken butter. Buttered chicken, sorry. Yan. The first thing, siyempre, we're going to make the chicken fresh, clean, and amazing tasty. Yan. Lagyan ko siya ng butter, guys. Of course, the butter is like the name is so Dairy Queen. Yan. Ang daming artist. So, ang chicken ay lagi dapat maging ganyan siya, guys. Ayan, see? Yan. And after that, we're going to put to the sauce. Ayan yung sauce niya. Brinahin ko yan. Giniling ko yan. Alam niyo yun. So, let me check, guys, kung okay na. Supposed to be. Okay. We're going to put this here. Okay. Like that way. Tinatawagan na ako kasi gutom na ang mga tao. Okay, guys. Like that way. So far. Hindi sila makapag-antay, guys. Anyway, ito na siya, guys. Kailangan gigilingin nyo yung ating sauce. Meron siya dyan, guys. As usual, meron siyang mga Arabic spices. And then, tomatoes. Yan. Lagyan mo siya ng magic sarap para lalong masarap. Okay? So far, it's me, Ate Alex. I love you.